Okay, hey guys, I'm making this video for you guys who want more clarification on how to load a Makehuman character onto Blender and load a BVH file to the character to animate it. You're going to want to open up your Blender program first. Click on the screen to get rid of the Blender icon. Then you're going to click X to get rid of the box. 1 second. Okay, you're going to delete that. You're going to go to File. You're going to go to Import. You're going to go to Makehuman file, MHX. Then you're going to find your Makehuman file of the character that you loaded from Makehuman. Then you're going to load that into your Blender screen. 1 second while we wait for that to load. Bam. Then you're going to go up to the icon here. You're going to go down to Imperial. You're going to go to Scale. You're going to go to 0.05 to scale that down. Then I'm just backing up off the screen so you guys can see. You can skip whatever stuff this is. I was trying to show the color for the character. Go up here to Miscellaneous. Go to Load and Retarget. Click that. Then you're going to go to your BVH file that you have saved on your computer. Pick out any BVH file that you would like. Click Load and Retarget. And wait for the file to load the time frame, the time keys. I'm sorry, the keyframes to the screen for your character. Just a second, and bam! Now, you're gonna watch this character move. I programmed her to do a cartwheel animation from a BVH file I downloaded previously. And you can go to places like CGS Speed and download multiple BVH files, or wherever you get your BVH files from. You're going to need those to animate your character. And that's pretty much it. That's all I did to animate my Makehuman character here. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, please don't be afraid to leave a comment at the bottom. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell down at the bottom of the screen. And also a link will be in the description for the original video that I put with no words. It's pretty much just step by step of how to create this animation file for a Makehuman character in Blender. It's just a more detailed and more specific video. I did this for anybody who wanted a fast version of what I originally put out. It's just a more animated and more in-depth, quick preview of what I did and how I exactly got to do my BVH file transfer to my Makehuman character in Blender. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.